Hello friends, it's my first video on YouTube and really I'm happy to share my first video with all of you. Really it's a nice experience and really I hope so that you will definitely like the video, and if you like the video please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Definitely it will help me to prepare new videos for you. So guys, let's have a start. My first video with the my favorite class, that is 6th standard second lesson we are going to have from Honeycomb textbook. So guys, each and everyone likes stories. No one is, I don't think so anyone is there those who didn't like stories, and here is one such a story. Definitely you will enjoy it. So guys, before you read, you may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. Yes, both the dog and the wolves are definitely. We know that when they are belong to the same family, they are related to the same family. The two characters are there, the dog and the wolf. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. You know two words, domesticated and tame. Both are same terms, same similar words are there. So dogs are serving human beings for longer period of time. The word over period of time. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. So here last statement, last line, it suggests that one, the dogs are tame animal. It means earlier they are wild. They used to live in jungle. They used to live in forest. They used to live in wood. And later on, how human beings started to tame them. That story, such a wonderful story. Definitely you will enjoy it, guys. So, shall we start the story? Yes. The heading of the story, the title of the story, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. Found, that is V2 form, that is simple past tense. And at finally, there is a exclamatory mark is given. So, guys, we have to find the answer. How the dog found himself a new master. The picture is really suggesting that one, how the picture and what a beautiful message is given through the picture. The dog is there and another animal. You can find out what animal is that. Is it lion, is it wolf, or is it a bear? Okay, so see, dogs were once their own master and lived the way wolves do, in freedom. See, dogs were their own masters. No one is their master. They are the master of their own oneself. As they used to live the life like wolves do. Wolves जिस तरह से रहते उसी तरह की life कौन बिताते थे earlier times? Dogs used to live in freedom. There is no restrictions in their life until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. See, what happened then? Dog was born who was ill pleased with his way of life. Dogs, they felt that one, they are very ill pleased, they are not happy with the life they are having. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. See, dogs, they never happy. They find themselves very worried. They were tired of searching the food. They were tired of wandering for looking food. And they also frightened. They also get frightened those who are stronger than him or stronger than them. That's why they were never happy. You know that one, guys. If you are weaker, doesn't matter. But being weak, if you frighten or if you afraid someone, then definitely they will take profit of that one. They will try to make you more and more depressed. They try to make you depressed again and again. So same thing happened with the dogs. Why did they frighten? Because they thought themselves they are weaker, and that is the reason they have to travel, they have to wander for search of food. And while searching, they used to frighten, or they used to get frightened from others, those were stronger than him. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. And he set out to find such a master. So, guys, what happened? They make their mind that they are the weaker, and that's why they decided to find someone who is stronger than them and who could look after them and could provide them food. So, see, ये जो लाचारी है डॉग्स की, it makes them tame animal. That some reasons are there. So slowly and gradually we have to find out the answer how the dog found himself a master. He thought it over and decided that the best thing, as I told you, he thought that one she could find someone that could take care of them. So he walked and he walked and he made a kinsman of his. Guys, kinsman. That word kinsman means relatives we call or the same family member. So firstly he found a big wolf who was as strong as he was and fierce, a dangerous animal. So firstly, whom did he meet? Such kind of question can be asked in exam. So firstly he met a big wolf. Whom did he meet? A big wolf. Where are you going? Dog, the wolf asked. The first question. Where are you going? Dog. Wolf asked him, Dog, where are you going? Yes. I'm looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? So firstly he find himself whom? The wolf, a big wolf. And he asked him. His intention was clear. He asked him, would you like to be a master? क्या आप मेरे मास्टर बनना चाहोगे? I don't see. Why not? He did not deny. He accepted. Why not? Surely, I would like to be. The wolf said. And is agreed upon. The two of them went on together. Now both gradually they started their next journey. Now the wolf along with the dog both were started their next journey. They walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose and sniffed and darted quickly off the path and to the bush and crept deeper into the forest. Suddenly, you know that one, guys, the dog family members, they are good quality of smelling. So he sniffed, raising the nose, and something smelled. And by that smell, he thought something dangerous. And that's why he darted back. Moving suddenly. And he hid himself into the deep forest. The dog was much surprised. Earlier he considered the wolf is stronger than him. And why did wolf darted himself and hide himself into the forest? He was surprised. What's come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? Dogs were very clever. He understood what had happened and he asked him, Master, what's wrong with you? What has frightened you? आप क्यों किस वजह से डर गए हो? आपको किसने डरा है? Can't you see there is a bear out there? Answered the wolf. Can't you see there is a bear? And he might eat up both of us, you and me. He told that one, if we were there before him, he could take both of us as a lunch. Both were the lunch of that big bear. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. See how clever that dog is. He left. Why did he leave? the bear? Why did he leave the wolf? Because bear is stronger than wolf. So he asked secondly to the bear, would you like to be my master? And I would like to be take service with you. The bear agreed to this readily and said, yes, of course, bear agreed. Secondly, he took the service of bear. First, whom did he go with? Wolf. Who is stronger than wolf? Yeah, bear. Now he asked to the bear. He agreed readily and he said, let's go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we'll both eat our fill. As we know that one bear was hungry. He was finding something, he was searching something, and he told him dog that let's move. Let's find a herd. Herd is a collective noun. Herd it means group of animals. So he was telling that one, we'll find a herd of cows and one of cow I will kill and it will help us to fill our stomach. Here word fill means hunger. To fulfill their hunger, that word is fill means. They walked and soon saw a herd of cows. But just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. Again something had happened strange with the dog. What had happened? See, as they walked on, soon they find a herd of cows, but suddenly they stopped by a terrible noise. There was a huge and terrible noise. The cows were mooing loudly and running in a panic all directions. You know that when something danger has come over them. So they're mooing, that crowd or loud of cows. They were loudly mooing and they ran here and there in a terrible way, in a panic, in a tension. They move here and there in all directions. The bear looked out from behind a tree. The bear looked behind the tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Hastily, speedily or very fast deeper into the forest. He himself trying to escape. Why? Don't know, God knows. See, now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in this part. He was very sorry for himself. He thought that why did I have to come here? मैं यहाँ किस वजह से आया हूँ? Here is the place where the lion ruled all over the jungle. And I did not dare, I didn't have to come here. By mistake I come here. There is a king of the forest who rule over all the forest and I dare to come here. The lion, who is he? The dog asked. Because secondly saw that one bear afraid of lion. See the sequence. Firstly he took service with the wolf. Wolf was frightened to bear. Now bear's turn is there and bear frightened to wolf. And suddenly dog changed his mood and he asked in a greedy way, the lion, who is he? Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on earth. The strongest beast on the earth is the lion. Yeah. Well, beast means an animal. Well, then I'll say goodbye to you. You know that one. Dogs are very greedy. Loyal but greedy. So he said, I'll say goodbye to you now. I don't need of you any longer. So he said, goodbye, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. That's why I left my place and I'm finding the master. But you told me that one, the lion is the strongest beast on the earth. So definitely I want to leave you and have to go with him. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. He went. Off means here went. And he asked to the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it. Yes, lion also agreed to it. And the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, long time. As we know that one. Both were living happily. As no one dared to touch to dog because he is the servant of lion. It was a good life and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared to touch the dog or often him in any way. Often, chase or to compete with him. कोई विरोध करने वाला भी नहीं. Often means go against with him. So he is living happy life with him. Reason question can be asked why he stayed for a longer period of time with the lion. So lion is the strongest beast in the forest on the earth. So no one used to go against the lion, or definitely as dog was the servant. So no one dared to touch to the lion. So he was no one dared to touch to the dog also. So that's why he stayed happily with him for a longer period of time. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. Now one day both were walking side by side on a cliff. Cliff? The edge of a mountain. On the cliff they were walking amid bare cliff. Amid bare means nothing was there. That cliff was bare, barren, no plants or anything else. So it was a clear land, we called. On that cliff they were walking, and sudden he gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. So there also something strange had happened with the dog. He was a witness of such an incident, and what happened? See, as he started to roar and he started to struck the ground angrily with his paws. He started to struck the ground with his paws, scratching the ground with his paws. Then he began back. He make a hole. That much strength he had. He make a hole in the ground and he began to back away from quickly. And he also wanted to move from there. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog. He was surprised. Again, there is a surprise for the dog. He asked, "What is it, master? Ye kya hai? Anything wrong had happened?" Asked the dog. He was surprised. "I smell a man coming this way." I could smell that man is coming in this way. Definitely, we know that one. If lion is the strongest animal or is the strongest beast, and who would afraid of man, means now you can imagine that one, what dog would do hereafter. "I smell a man coming this way," the lion said. "We would better run for it or we will be in trouble." He said, "Let's move, let's run from here, or it would be a danger, it would be a trouble for us." "Oh, well then, I will say goodbye to you." And the greedy dog or the clever dog say goodbye to the lion, because lion was afraid of human beings or that man. Lion, he said goodbye. "I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. So you are not as strong as I consider." And off the dog ने उसको भी छोड़ दिया and went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Guys, see how did he live? Each and every animal, just because of what? Because he wanted someone is stronger. And lastly, we know that when human beings or mans are the strongest beast on the earth, because each and every animal would afraid of human beings. Hope guys you will enjoy the lesson. Stay with us for more videos. Have a good day.